All right, my friend, this is video number 7 in our series of the 17 business credit score hacks. I don't know where you're at in this series, but if this is your first one that you're watching, go back on my page and look for the other ones and watch number 1 through 6 as well, because this series is jam-packed full of information for you. So hack number 7 is going to be, you want to keep your existing balances or your outstanding balances low. Now look, I understand you're looking for business funding because you don't really want to worry about utilization, which that's 100% fine, nothing's wrong with that. A lot of times your utilization will not matter, but on accounts that do report, although it's not necessary, it's not 100% necessary for you to keep your balances low. If your account does report to Experian, IntelliScore does calculate your outstanding balances as well. So if you keep your balances low, your IntelliScore with Experian is going to be a little bit higher. So it could help you to get higher scores, but it's not 100% necessary, especially like on business credit cards. Nobody's looking for your utilization on business credit cards most of the time. And this kind of goes hand in hand with paying your bills early as well. So if you have bills, you want to make sure you pay them early. Make sure you keep your balances kind of low, and it'll make everything a lot easier to manage. But like I said, it's not 100% necessary to keep your utilization low on the business side. It can help you to get a higher Experian IntelliScore.